Hi guys, you're welcome back to Food Solution, and I'm super excited to have you back with me here. Today we'll be solving another question on the topic gas laws. And the question goes thus: a gas occupies a certain volume at 27 degrees Celsius. At what temperature will its volume be 3 times the original volume, assuming that its pressure remains constant? First of all, we will realize that this question is under Charles' law because the pressure is constant. Let's bring out our parameters. We're told that the gas occupies a certain volume at 27 degrees Celsius. Our T1 is 27 degrees Celsius. And we always convert our temperature to Kelvin when solving for temperature. So to convert the temperature from Celsius to Kelvin, we add 273 to it. That's from 227 plus 273. That gives us a total of 300 Kelvin. So we're told that it occupies a certain volume. We're not given the volume. So let's say our V1 is V. So it occupies a certain volume. Okay, let's go further. At what temperature? At what? That's the question. At what temperature? So at what temperature? That is our T2. You don't know it, but we'll look for it. At what temperature will its volume be 3 times the original volume? Hmm. At what temperature will its volume be 3 times the original volume? At what temperature will its volume be 3 times the original volume? So at what temperature, which is the V2, will its volume, so the volume now, which is V2, will its volume be 3 times the original volume? Now we denoted our original volume V1 as V. So since this new volume now, it has to be 3 times the original volume. That will be to V to be 3V. I think this is understandable, right? So I'll define the T. Okay. Now from Charles' law, we know that V1 over T1 is equals to V2 over T2. And our V1 is V over T1 is 300 equals to our V2 is 3V over T2, which is the unknown. So first of all, what we can do right now is okay. Let's cross multiply first. So we have V T2 equals to 3V multiplied by 300. So we can divide both sides by V. So this will give us, so V will cancel V from here. Then we have T2 equals to 300 times 3 is 900V over V. So V will cancel out V. So our T2 is equals to 900 Kelvin. 900 Kelvin. And that will be all for this question. This will be all for the question. I believe this question is very much simple and very direct. And you're able to like the video if you've gained 1 or 2 lessons from here. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. You are also to click the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I drop an educational content like this. See you again.